My name's Jane Smith and I'm Head of Communications here at Wales Millennium Centre, and in my spare time I volunteer as a member of the board of Swansea and Gower Cancer Self-Help Group, which is a support group for those with cancer as well as support for their friends and family. The most satisfying thing about that is being able to raise funds that can be put into research to help those in the future. Mandela Day, why do I think it's important? I think it's really key that we recognise and remember all of the incredible work that he did that has changed nations and influenced our behaviour for the future worldwide. And Mandela Day is just a great way to continue to inspire us and future generations.
I'm Jonathan Poyner. I'm one of the strategic directors at Wales Millennium Centre. But the two charities that I do mostly are St John Wales, this little badge here, and MPCT. St John Wales is a first aid organisation which basically has been going since 1918, started in the First World War, and St John Wales was created as a result of that fantastic service. I wanted to be part of that. The jobs that I carry out there are Director of Ceremonies when I organise an annual big parade, a church service when we celebrate what the order is. We have VIPs from all over the world and sometimes royals, and they come to help celebrate the young people and the volunteers who do the special things they do, including saving lives. The other one is MPCT, which originated as a military preparation college. And what they've done is taken that model where you take young people and give them life skills and opportunities and confidence in themselves. You teach them to love themselves and teach them how good they are and how special they are. The common thread with the charities that I do, St John Wales and MPCT, is the future. It's about a legacy and it's about looking forward and making a better world for the future. What Mandela did is he inspired people. He focused on the future and he focused on young people, the next generation, not looking back on what people have done, but looking forward, a positive future. Both of the charities, the common thread I've come to, is about young people. It's about creating an environment that young people can develop and evolve, and we will make a better future through doing volunteering. I highly recommend it to people.
My name is Dave Horgan. I am a Customer Operations Manager at the Wales Millennium Centre. I am also a volunteer for the RNLI, Penarth Lifeboat, where I am a shore crew tractor driver. So I launch all the vessels to sea when we're called out. It's a 24/7 volunteering. So we carry pages and we can be paged any time, day or night. I enjoy giving to the community. For myself, it's a worthwhile cause to give it my time. And yeah, it's giving something back to the community. I think Mandela was an influential person, what he did when he was alive, and for that I think that they should be celebrated in his honour.
So my name's Jonathan Kane. I'm a contact centre assistant. I volunteer for Food Not Bombs. I attended their meeting, and then the following week I was there chopping vegetables from donated supplies to be served in Cardiff City Centre on a Friday lunchtime to homeless people of Cardiff, but also anyone that wants a free lunch really. Anyone can have this food. But it's a great worth when you get people come up that really need it. There was a case where a gentleman came up, had some food, but then asked whether we had any containers so we could take some away to feed his family. I took on myself to try and find a pound shop just to find containers so we could go away with some of the food. And he was so thankful. It's just great satisfaction to be involved in things like that. And I think the life of Nelson Mandela needs to be celebrated through the things that he did for the people and the values he had in his life.
I'm Sarah Vaughan Jones and I work in the Media and PR department here at the Wales Millennium Centre. I also volunteered as a dance teacher as part of a volunteer project over in Rio de Janeiro for 3 months. I think the reason why I did it was because I really wanted to be able to contribute something. There's a lot of disadvantaged people out there, people that are less fortunate than myself, and it was just great to be able to offer some of my skills and just to give my kind of time and energy towards something really positive. I think one of the most satisfying things for me was to see how excited the kids got when they got to learn different routines and when they got to kind of make up their own routines, and finally when they got to perform it all at the end of the 3 months. I think that it's really important to celebrate Mandela Day. He did so much amazing work for equality and has really influenced our society today, and it's really important to continue celebrating that and to help inspire future generations.